Welcome, here I've got Vivo Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have to slide a little bit down to find watermark option, so let's pick it. Now at the second position we have model watermark, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on, and let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see how it looks like at the real one. Now we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is how the picture looks like with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can also get closer to it and see Vivo Y52 5G. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, slide down to watermark and tap to the right button to turn it off. So now when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.